if you need to temporarily deactivate your Threads account. Follow these steps within the Threads app on your iPhone or Android device. First, open the Threads app and navigate to your profile by selecting the profile icon in the bottom menu. Once you're on your profile, access the settings by tapping the two horizontal lines in the top right corner of the app, and then choose Account from the menu. In the account settings, select Deactivate or Delete Profile. The app will provide a brief explanation of what deactivating your profile entails, including the option to reactivate it later by simply logging back in. To proceed, select Deactivate Profile and confirm your decision by tapping Deactivate. Allow a few seconds for the process to complete, and your Threads profile will be successfully deactivated.